Yes, Caspa holders, I've been seeing your guys' comments. Crypto ZX, give us these Caspa updates. Apologize I wasn't able to give you guys an update over the last 2 days. Been really, really busy. I'm trying my absolute best to, bring out all these updates that, I've been getting requests on, because as we know, the market is heating up. A lot of interest coming in for, pretty much everything at this point. So I'll try my absolute best to bring out all the updates that you guys are requesting. And the Caspa community, I cannot keep you guys hanging. I've been giving you guys updates pretty much day in, day out for the longest time. And your support means the world to me. Thank you for your support. And just so you know, we are back on track on every single day uploads on Caspa. But looking across the board over the last 1 hour, just briefly taking a look at it, we're seeing a little bit of a retracement. I'll explain why we're seeing that. As far as Caspa's price is concerned, we are up about 3.1% on the 24-hour time frame. Price currently ranging around 8.8 cents, up 0.1% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap at $2.3 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume sitting at about $100 million. As you guys know, it's a Crypto ZX update. We're going to start off with the disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So look what's happening. Let's give it a refresh live. So if you're looking at the index here, it's actually starting to show strength. I know if you're an altcoin holder, you don't really want to see this happening, but let's face it, BTC has been on an absolute tear. It's reaching all-time highs after all-time highs. A lot of excitement coming in, and about a 3% increase over the last 1 hour alone has obviously brought in some eyes on BTC, which does tend to increase the dominance. And this is usually what you would project, right? This is what usually you would see the dominance do. Over the course of the last 3 to 4 days, we actually did not see that happening. And we still have yet to retest the 65.13%, which we haven't seen since pretty much the 8th of July. So almost a week since the last time the dominance was sitting above that range, and it's continuously showing me positive signs that we want to see. But if Bitcoin continues to thrive, maybe slowly but surely we do start heading towards that range, and maybe we do see altcoins kind of starting to backtrack a little bit and not see those crazy price actions that we're seeing recently. Believe it or not, dominance plays such an important role, and you need to understand how this works. Looking at BTC, of course, what can we say? Amazing. Pretty much on the verge of breaking yet again a new all-time high going into Monday morning. Absolutely amazing to see. If you're looking at Caspa here, Caspa is ranging really nicely around this exact level, but I know a lot of people are going to be taking a look at HBAR. A lot of people are going to be taking a look at Algorand, XLM, some meme coins as well. A lot of coins are, outpacing the levels where they were back in May, but Caspa is lagging right now. And if you follow my channel for quite some time, we know Caspa is one of the projects, when the market starts booming, when the market starts heating up, there could be times where you see a little bit of a lag happening. And this is one of those times, because we haven't even, re-entered the blue zone, which is like the 10 cents price point almost. We're still ranging around this 8.8 cents mark. And that's something we don't really want to be ignoring. Yes, we're seeing a little bit of a lag. There's no doubts in that. But I do personally believe that we will come knocking on the door at this major key resistance sooner than a lot of people realize. The volume holding quite steady around the 100 million range. But yes, we are seeing a little bit of a lag against the broader market. Yes, not every single project is going to, outpace BTC, because if you're looking at it on, the daily time frame, Caspa was up 3.1%, but there's a lot of other projects around the crypto space as well that are up about 3 to 4% and are yet to, reach, the May level. So we got to keep that factor in mind. But I like what I'm seeing here. I think once we do enter into this blue zone, which we actually haven't been in since May 30th, I think this could be that confirmation for us to start reaching that 10 cents resistance. Very, very important resistance, of course. I do project that to be the next major level to be keeping an eye out for, but as you guys know, that is a major resistance, so I would expect that to be the next major target, but I do expect a rejection at that range once we retest it. So we'll see what happens. So far, so good. Like what I'm seeing here. Yes, we're not seeing double-digit gainers, but so far it's still holding on to this upward trajectory momentum. So far, so good. Let me know down below what you guys personally think. Where do you see the price of Caspa going? Thank you for your support. We'll see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.